Hey everyone, so this is a video of the tornado that hit Henry, Illinois back on February 8th. And what's interesting about this specific storm is there was actually a confirmed tornado at this point. It was on the ground, but you can't see a fully condensed funnel stretching from the surface all the way up to its cloud base. What you can see is very well organized rotation in the cloud base portion of this storm. And if you pay attention closely enough, you can actually see the tornado circulation in this video. It's a non-fully condensed tornado at this moment in time. And as I become engulfed in heavy rain and my camera loses focus, you can actually see the tornado attempt to become fully condensed, but it doesn't quite do it. Cheers, everybody.